It's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1821 Parkhurst Crescent in Pickering. So we've got a detached double car garage home. It's almost 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 washrooms. Why don't you guys go on and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that tour. If you guys have any questions about this property, I'd be more than happy to help you guys out, maybe even bring you in to take a look in person. I need you guys to do me a favor. I want you to like this. I want you to share it with your friends. Leave me a comment. What do you guys think about the house? Alright guys, until next time, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.